What did you get?
It's Conrad Bear.
Oh,
The last one.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are thrilled to share our experience staying at the Conrad Los Angeles. It's our second time staying at a Conrad property, with our first being Conrad Osaka. I will put a full Conrad Osaka link below, and hey, I have a blog to share a hotel booking strategy and potential saving you can get as well. We chose Conrad LA for our stay while attending the LA Fit Expo. Once our video of the expo is up, you will find the link both above and the description below. But for now, let's jump right into our Conrad LA experience. Conrad is known for its luxurious 5-star hospitality, part of the renowned Hilton brand. The Conrad LA is exquisitely designed by the legendary architecture Frank Gehry, located conveniently across from the Walt Disney Concert Hall in the vibrant heart of the downtown LA. We booked Premium View 1 King bed and was promptly upgraded to Studio 1 King bed when we checked in at the front desk, thanks to Vinny's Hilton Diamond member status. In addition to the room upgrade, we were provided a $50 food and beverage credit instead of a free breakfast. We believe this is due to the hotel not having any restaurant for a buffet breakfast. You can use the $50 credit for in-room dining or at the restaurant. We decided to use that $50 at the San Laurel for breakfast. I do have a full video experience for that at the end, stay tuned for that. Also, we would like to share very important tips and lesson learned we have when we actually booked this hotel. We forgot to book this hotel through FHR, Fine Hotel Resort through the Amex Platinum card. Stay tuned to find out how to double dip Amex FHR and Hilton Diamond benefits. Okay, that's enough information. Let's start with the parking. So once you get here, there's only valet parking available, and we paid $62 for valet. So that's how much you'll be expecting to pay since this is downtown LA. Plus, it's a 5-star hotel as well. After you request your valet, the bellboy actually take your stuff, and all you need to do is just go upstairs and do your check-in. We came around like 8 or 9 a.m. We were very worried if they're gonna allow us to check in this early, but they actually allowed us. When the elevator opened, I was very amazed. The color and the tone, everything looks cozy and modern and luxurious. And feel like everywhere you take a photo, you will look amazing. For your information, Conrad LA does not have an executive lounge, unfortunately. Otherwise, as a Diamond member, we would have access to it for drinks and snacks. And this is the outdoor balcony area. You can sit and relax as well. You see this Walt Disney Concert Hall right there. And on the left side, you can't really see it, but there's the Broad, the art museum as well. Everything is walking distance from here. And this is a San Laurel, the restaurant. We'll be eating our breakfast next morning. Stay tuned for that. And I know this is very random. Vinny actually took a video of this restroom because it looks very upscale. We check in around 9 a.m. but we went to LA Fit Expo. We get back to hotel around 4 p.m. and officially got into the room.
Hi. No. What is that?
The Studio 1 King bed is a 463 square foot size room with a view of the pool and a courtyard. The interior design is immaculate. One of the most beautiful design rooms we have stayed in a 5-star luxury hotel. you would need a microwave, but for your information, if you need a microwave, you can actually request the housekeeping. They will be providing you. They provide a complimentary 2 bottles of water, and they do have variety of drink selection. And I was a little bit surprised they were missing 1 cup here. So that ended up making Vinny and I share a cup of coffee together. For 5-star hotel room, I mean, it can happen, but we were a little bit surprised about the situation.
This is so expensive, $14. Oh my god. I don't know. These are $14 each. Oh, we're in America.
Don't touch it.
I can.
If you touch it, the sensor will go off.
Oh my god.
I don't know.
These are expensive. We're in California.
Don't look at it.
And these are the in-room dining menu. You can pause and read this. Otherwise, if you're not interested, you can skip this part. I just like to share this detailed information if anyone's interested. How much is a 5-star hotel in-room dining, or what do they even serve? So this is the items you can actually order from them. Since Conrad LA was opened in 2022, it is a fairly new hotel. Everything is up to date, and the shower area looks pretty amazing. The water pressure was good, and the toilet area as well, the nice privacy. Unlike Conrad Osaka, they don't have a bidet, so don't expect a bidet here.
Welcome anniversary. Cookies and champagne, a whole bottle.
Oh my god. I didn't expect this.
Oh, it's a letter.
I don't know what happened to the anniversary, but this is so nice of them.
Let's see what they say. Dear Vincent and Christina, I can't really read. Do you know what they're saying?
It's a good thing. Good words. So, okay, good. Oh, that's so nice of them. Why did they only give one Tupperware for 2 people? This is our anniversary.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Keep your manner, huh?
I have no idea what to do. Alright, let me try this.
We think this was very sweet of them providing cookies and champagne. We really appreciate Conrad LA actually provide us this. So thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers to this.
Cheers. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
After visiting the Fit Expo, we went to the gym to check out what it looks like. And it's like nobody around here. You have to have your room key to get in here, so make sure to bring it. Once you get in, there are some bottles of water, towels, and apple you can snack. All of their equipments are from the Techno Gym, which is a pretty high-end gym equipment. Whenever we go hotel gym, usually no one's here. I think no one's working out. But maybe in the morning a little bit, we've seen it, but this place is very empty when we went. It's a fairly big gym and has a lot of space.
Spacious.
Think about Chris.
I ate too much.
Before going out for dinner, we called the front desk to request Turndown Service. In the restroom, they actually prepare your toiletry items so you can easily use it. In the bed area, they actually start playing the Turndown music and they prepare a slipper for you down there. And the bed is a little bit folded like that. And the cup of water they put in a dark chocolate.
It's a brute from France.
Scared me.
Let it air out. Isn't that what they say? I don't know.
You're asking the wrong person.
Cheers.
Good night.
Good night. One an.
원안.
How do you say good night?
잘 자요.
잘 자요.
Yeah.
What about in Japanese?
I don't know.
Oyasumi nasai? I don't know. Are you watching your own Conrad Osaka video while you're staying in Conrad, Los Angeles?
The day we
Yes.
arrived, it was
Reminding
we
myself
were thinking this is the
and
best
supporting my own
place to
YouTube channel.
The activities are limited. We don't
Excuse
really
me, ma'am.
walk around.
Excuse
We have
me.
to ride more times.
What?
That's embarrassing.
And this was
The bed is
best
super
we could just chill
comfortable.
and relax
Yeah.
and be
Since Vinny has a diamond status, we got the food and beverage credit, so we decided to use it in the San Laurel, which is in the Hilton property. We didn't know, but this is a Michelin star restaurant, and they actually use the local farmers market ingredients to cook this, and there are lots of Spanish inspired food in the menu.
Am I supposed to mix it?
I think so. It's condensed milk at the bottom. Like espresso shots, in a way.
Make me think of Vietnamese coffee. Sweet,
Very sweet. From the condensed milk.
sweet.
Ketchup for potatoes, and mixed berry jam with basil, which is how it's made.
Oh, thank you.
Whipped butter.
With olive oil,
What is this?
spicy sauce, chili sauce.
We saw sauce in our seasonal mushrooms. Enjoy.
Thank you.
That looks amazing.
Yeah.
Presentation. very pretty.
Presentation. It's complimentary.
Some kind of dessert. I got the potato. They say is very special. I have like some kind of bruschetta,
Oh.
similar. Try the potato first.
Yeah.
Crunchy, crunchy.
Good?
Oh, that's.
Is like tastes different?
Oh, it's very subtle, but it's so good. Not too salty, not sweet, just there. Pretty good. I think you really like it. Yours is Asian and Spanish fusion, it looks like.
Even the plate represents that.
Like, so look, so like, yes, but only one thing. I'm like, okay. She told me how she would react, right? And that's like, put it on that.
There you go.
Apparently, when you tell my dad,
It tastes like it's really close to Asian.
Yeah.
I feel like this is Asian. Somewhere. Chinese.
Very strong Asian fusion.
How is it?
Oh. Very. Oh, pretty good. I like it. It's
Yeah.
Definitely strong Asian fusion.
Yeah.
I think it's this. I don't know what is that.
Yeah, the sauce?
The XO sauce.
Maybe XL sauce.
But this is very. I think that's what they cook with the XO sauce.
Yeah.
Then they drizzle all over.
Yeah.
So when you eat it,
Yeah.
this XO sauce.
I was a little bit worried it's gonna be greasy flavor, but it wasn't.
Oops. Good catch. It's very subtle.
The butter, I think the same as this with butter.
Yeah,
It's very light.
very light. Oil, you can taste the oiliness, but it's not bad. Yeah, very good dish. Oh, very soft.
Point point. Wow.
Everything here tastes very subtle, like in a good way.
Except my coffee.
That was strong. But this is very nice. Very good dessert.
Yeah.
I mean,
Wow.
yeah, you're supposed to mix it.
Yeah.
Yeah, honey is very good.
It's like very subtle version of cinnamon roll,
Yeah,
non-sweet.
not sweet.
Yeah, it's good.
And then you put the honey.
It's good with this, but I like without.
Yeah, on its own it's pretty good. Nice little complimentary dessert.
Good food.
Good. Tasty. Checking out.
Yeah.
Sad.
Yeah.
It was nice. This hotel is very, very pretty. This
Water.
water, aluminum recycled bottle. That's why. What did you get?
It's Conrad there.
Oh, it's
the last one.
the last one. It's big.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Super cute. I like the color of the vest is what they wear as a concierge. It's very, very cute.
Thanks for the Conrad concierge team, they actually provide us the spare. All we did was we asked them if they have a spare and they gave us, and he said this was the last spare of that day.
Going home with this new boy, Conrad Osaka. Oh,
Conrad Los
Conrad Los Angeles.
Angeles.
Okay, focus driving. I'm sorry.
Focus on the right name.
So we would like to share very important tips and lesson learned we have when we actually booked this hotel. We forgot to book this hotel through FHR, Fine Hotel Resort, through the Amex Platinum card. FHR is a program for Amex Platinum card holders to book using Amex Travel Portal. There are overlapping benefits when booking through FHR and Hilton Diamond status. For example, the room upgrade when available and daily breakfast for two. But what's unique for FHR are the 12 p.m. check-in when available and $100 property credit to be used during the stay. If you want to double dip on both benefits, you can sign up for both credit cards. We have an Amex referral link below, and you may receive a special referral or sign up bonus using the link. Depending on your situation, if you only need to sign up for one credit card, we recommend opening an Amex Platinum card if you are planning to use lounges for airports and various credits. If you are focusing on hotels, then the Hilton Aspire card will be the one for you, since you will automatically get the diamond status. So that's all for the Conrad Los Angeles hotel review and the double dipping tips. If you found this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Vinny and I will be replying back to you. Also, don't forget to check out my blog link below, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye bye. Thank you.